What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right here I have a cover for the MacBook Pro, the new one, the 14-inch, and it was very hard to get a case for it when it first came out, but now I got a case for it. Got this from Amazon for I think 14 bucks, and I am going to put it in so y'all can see what this brand look like. This is a matte avocado green. You got the bottom part, you have the screen protector, and you have the part that goes on the top, the keyboard cover, which is a plus for me, and these little attachments that I don't know what they're for yet, but we will figure it out. Alright, so let's see what we got here. This goes in the front part, so you have the lip right here, and then shit goes right there with that lip, and then it should snap in, fit in like that. Thought it was supposed to snap in. Alright, so let me hook up the back first, snap it in the back. Alright, you guys, so the bottom is not snapped in yet. Let me put it in the back first. Alright, it latched onto the back. Now we put it in the front, and then it comes back off on the back. So this is kind of hard, just to give you a heads up. I'm gonna leave it like that. It wasn't no real snap on it, so it's still off a little bit here. It's on this side, and this side is just, once you take it off of here on this side, see, now that's snapped in, so it's not fitting correctly on there, but I'm gonna leave it alone for right now. Alright, so this should be the top part. It has two latches here. See, now that one snapped in. Y'all heard that? Snapped right on in on the corners. Easy. Just have a little issue with this bottom part right here. That's the only issue I have, and I will try to fix that, or my OCD will kick in. Alright, what is next? We are going to try to put the keypads on. You gotta peel it. Alright. Now we're going to put it right on the top. And it's snugged right in. And it just lands right on the top. Alright, so this is not like a sticky pad or anything. This is easy peel. If you want to clean the bottom, you can pull it, but once it's in, you have a pretty good, see, it's even hard to get out once it's in, so that's pretty good. Alright, so our keyboards is covered. You want to touch it with your greasy hands and blah blah blah. Keyboard is covered. Alright, these little attachments look like covers for the charger port. So we are going to see if so, that would be very nice. Alright, let's check it out. So, yep, these black pieces cover the USB-C, the SD card slot, HDMI slot, and the other side, it covers the charger port. It's hard to get in the charger port, but it covers the charger port and the other two USB ports. The only port it didn't have a cover for was the headphone jack. And then you have the screen protector, but I want to clean the screen first before I put the screen protector on. And that's it. So that's the review of this laptop case. I'm gonna give it a 4-star. I always start off with 5 stars, but I'm gonna give it a 4-star. My only gripe with this is it's hard to click in here, so I'm gonna try to see about the fitting on this later. But right now, this I could live with for right now, because I just want a cover for it. All right. So avocado green laptop case for the MacBook Pro 14-inch. If you like this review, please let me know. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And one more thing I forgot to tell y'all, if you have this type of adapter, let's take these out real quick, the covers. If you have that type of adapter, you cannot use this unless you make a cut. So that's what I did on my wife's case when she first got hers a few months back. I made a cut for her, so I'm gonna show y'all that real quick. Okay, you guys, you see my wife's computer? You see this right here? I cut that plastic piece for her, and when you stick in, it snaps in, and she can use her charger. Not charger adapter, but her port adapter, so she could have extra ports. And that will be it. But me, I don't use this one. I use the single USB-C ports to USB. So I will not need to cut mine. But I'm just letting you know, if you have this part, you will have to make a little cut on these type of chargers unless you find, not chargers, on these type of cases, unless you find a case that is compatible with these type of adapters. Subscribe to the channel and you'll see some cool products on the way.